wake up. Gotta get this paper, get this cake up. Hey, my name is Josie and welcome back to my YouTube. If you're new and if not subscribed, please kindly make sure you do. So for today's video, it's a bit different because I'll be doing organization things. Some people suggested that, so why not? So I want you guys to help me arrange that first drawer over there. Yeah, so let's do it. Basically, these drawers, this first drawer, we put our like storage and everything. So I want you guys to arrange that with me. So guys, this is how it looks, and I need to declutter all these things. So guys, I'm using one hand here, so we just start by just removing everything out. Yeah, let's do that. Let me do. First and foremost, guys, I want to arrange this area where I have all my what are these called, my nail things, my Q-Tex, even though I barely use them, because as you guys can already tell, I use something else, totally upgrade. So yeah, so here what I do most of the times, just arranging them, aligning them. That's all I do around here. I got this and it stopped working, so let's get rid of that. My beautiful file. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Okay, aka pia kwa karibu kuisha, but bado sisi ni wa Kenya, we don't make anything, we don't kill everything before their due date, so what I can shame. Yeah, and basically the remaining part ni zile vitu mtu weko kwa nywele. So yeah, let me clean that up. Hey, we're done. So you already see I have, these are my extra. I have an extra new blender, a concealer, some super glue, an eyelash glue. I have an extra one, so this is basically my storage area. More wembe, laser braids and all that. So behind there I normally put my pads. Let me show you guys. These are new set of pads I just got. I want to try them, but normally mimi hutumia always kama kawaida the normal pink ones. Yeah, this is what I basically use. And I also got these for like helping others, because as you guys girls already know, we always carry pads in case another girl in need wants. So most of the time when people come around, they usually like, Josie, do you have a pad in the house? Can you help me? So instead I just give them the whole pack if I have, so they just, yeah, you know. So we got those, and the one I've been using. So next to them I usually go with pant liners. They'll just stay there because these ones are the ones I'm using currently. Behind there I'm gonna put the wet wipes. So for the wipes, we got these new ones that are flashable. Oh my god, me and my boyfriend like using the wipes in the loo. Yeah, so that's why we have a number. And this one, of course, is an extra one for my makeup removal. You know, see what's channel to our makeup now, wipes. Yeah, you guys already know I got a new makeup organizer. So but normally I was using Easy. These are keybox care speaker, like headphones. So that's what I was using for my makeup, but then now that it's here, I can use it to arrange more things in there. So I've changed my mind. On this side I'm gonna use cotton pads. You need these for my makeup a lot, so yeah, because they are long. And we got more cotton pads they can't stay like that, so I have to fix something in there real quick. Told you. So to keep the balance na kuwekelea vitu hapa, I'm gonna squeeze this. These are tulinunua popcorn with this, so I put most of the jewelries here. Yeah, so fits right inside, and then now I can put things on top there. Of course, we need an extra toothpaste in case, because in this house we barely do shopping. Like we do like ile shopping mob at once. That's how we do it here. So yeah, so we buy extras and then I put them in here, and there are a lot of things. Oh, I also got this glue for today. I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, let me try. Oh, this is my Garnier, an extra one, a new one. I still have one that I'm using, relaxing, and an extra moisturizer for me. I already have one that I'm using currently. Yay! And we're supposed to just arrange this area, so let me go ahead and do that and figure out a way of, I don't know, there's so many things. Sijui zitaenda wapi. Guys, look at that. I'm so impressed. Uko nyuma nimeweka tissues. I have pads and extra pads on top. My nail thingies. The box nimeitumia kuweka earbuds. These are my boyfriend cufflinks. Yay, these are my phone cases. There are several. And my Garnier, this is what? This is the foam, the moisturizer, and the makeup remover, also a cleanser. All the thingies are here, all the cotton pads, extra toothpaste. This thing, I love such brushes with such thing. So when I'm traveling, I just put my toothbrush in here just for hygiene. Yay! So this one is going to the bathroom because I plan to be using it more often. So yeah, that's why it's not in there. Some other things that were there were these. Hii ni nini ya kubeba my tripod, and this one I had on my birthday. I don't know where these ones will fit. I'm not sure, so I'll probably look for a location for it. Yeah. And that's all. Thank you for sticking around. Love you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.